of the most complex properties that we deal with right now are carried interest in hedge funds. So we represent hedge fund managers or their spouses. And in that case, they have something called carried interest, which are future interests based on how well their fund performs. And those are very complex to value because we really have to have our expert look into a crystal ball and determine what's going to happen to that fund. And then it becomes even more difficult about how we're going to distribute that asset. So that is one of the most complex assets we're dealing with right now on how to properly determine what that asset is and how to divide it. But then we have assets that may seem simple, but are very complex, like art. Right? So art is just a piece of art hanging on a wall, but we need to value that. We need to decide who we're going to keep it. We need to decide if we're going to sell it. We need to decide if there's going to be any taxes that are going to have to be paid. So even something as simple as you would think as a piece of art could be a complex issue in a divorce, depending on, somebody can say Andy Warhol is worth $50 million, and the other expert can say, no, I think it's worth $30 million. And that becomes a complex issue as well.